alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My dear students, today we are going to continue with our topic on GP, that's geometric progression. If you can remember, in our last discussion we established the end term of GP as Tn equals to A r raised to power n minus 1, where we said A is the first term, then R the common ratio, and n the nth term, which some cases can become the last term. We had, I think, only one example. Today we shall take another example to see if it is really clear that we can answer the question. Now let's go. The first term of a GP is 6, and the common ratio is 3. Find the sixth term. We are asked to find the sixth term of the GP. Now let's see the solution now. We are given A as 6 on the question and R as 3, and we're asked to find T6. So remember that we have Tn is equals to Arn minus 1. Yes, before this we know that our n will be 6 because any term carrying T is this. So we have our Tn is equals to Ar raised to power n minus 1. I hope you are following. This implies that T6 is equals to, our first term is given as 6 times the common ratio R, 3 raised to power n is 6 minus 1. So we have 6 times 3 raised to power 6 minus 1 is 5. This is what we have. This is what we have. This is question 1. We'll go to question 2 now. Our question 2. If y plus 2, y plus 6, y plus 14 are consecutive terms of a GP, consecutive term of a GP. Find A, value of y, and the GP. Then B, 42nd term, leaving your answer in index form. Now look at the question. Now the solution. The solution. The solution. Now here is the solution. Now from there we have A is going to be y plus 2. Then R can be found using what formula? The second term, T2 over T1, just like we have established. So this implies that what is our T2 from the question? Y plus 6 over y plus 2, which is also equals to what? Y plus 14 over y plus 6. So we can now cross multiply. This is what we have. This is what we have. We now cross multiply. We have y plus 6 in bracket. We have another y plus 6 equals to y plus 2 y plus 14. So we are going to end up having y square plus 12y plus 36 equals to y square plus 14y plus 2y plus 28. We have y square plus 12y plus 36 equals to y square plus 16y plus 28. The next is 36 minus 28 is equals to y square minus y square plus 16y minus 12y. What we are going to do is collect like. The next is going to be this one will go. We have 8 equals to 4y. This implies that y will be equals to y is equals to 2. Or y is equals to 2. Our y is equals to 2. Then the GP. The GP, remember we have y plus 2, comma, then y plus 6, comma, then y plus 14. So y is equals to 2. So we have our GP becomes 4, 8, 16, this. That's our GP. Next is the B part of the question. The B part of the question. The B part says T42 question mark. So remember, our A is now 4, our R is now 8 minus 4, which is equals to 4. So remember, Tn is equals to ARn minus 1. So this implies that T42 is equals to, our A is 4 times what? 4 raised to power 42 minus 1. So it's equals to 4 times 4 raised to power 41. There's a mistake here. Our R is going to be 8 over 4, which is equals to 2. So here is 2, here is 2. So here we have 4 times 2 raised to power 41. So we have 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 41. So using this is 2 raised to power 43 index form. So done.